welcome back to my channel. This is Toshika, and in today's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Tall Elephant Planner which I picked this year for me. I have received my little black box and this is so amazing. If you guys are also interested in purchasing the planner, you can buy it from their website or from Amazon. I am mentioning all the links in the description box below, so you can check the links. Also, you can use my coupon code to get some extra discount on it. And also, as I discussed in the last video about the giveaway, so I will be giving all the giveaway participation details at the end of the video. So keep watching the video. And now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, here is our package and now I'm gonna unbox it. So here I have all the products with me and they are so colorful and beautiful. First I have this Universe Speak to You cards. They are again so beautiful. As you can see, they have an amazing quotation on each card. I really kind of like them. We can use them as bookmarks, we can share them with our friends. Also we can decorate our room with these beautiful quotes. And now I have these beautiful postcards. They again have some amazing quotations which can keep you motivated, or you can use them according to your choice. Let me know in the comments what actually you're gonna do with them. And now we have these two notebooks which we can use. Again, the front and back is so beautiful. You can use them for your journaling purpose or your to-do list or anything. And then we have these two journals. First we will see the self-reflection journal. So here is a beautiful illustration. And then in the back we have take care of yourself. So they have a lot of quotations on each page. And now we have this travel journal. You can use it for your traveling purposes like what to pack, what to not, and the memories and the people you meet with, and everything you can mention here. And then they have this map. This is also beautiful. And then we have this, most of it's sticker book, because I was looking for a sticker book like this from a long time. And they have very unique stickers. You can see they have almost 1700 plus stickers, which you can use anywhere in your stationery need, in your creative things, or anything. And then we have this desk calendar for 2022. This is again hardbound, and the quality is so good. Like, the thing I just wanted to tell you guys, the quality of each product is so good. And you can see. And finally, this is our journal cum planner for the year 2022. So this is the front and this is the back with the Tall Elephant logo. And the journal is hardbound, and the quality is so good again. The words are written in the gold foil. This is really an elegant piece of art. The pages are of ink bleed resistance. At the beginning we have this beautiful butterfly art, and here is the letter, which is really motivating, which I really loved. And let's see the whole flip through. You can see how colorful everything is, and they have such an amazing floral prints. And at the end you can see the best part is here. They have given again some beautiful lines which you can use anywhere, because you can cut them out. They have given it like this, and they are a lot of them, like 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. We have total 6. Yeah, so we have total 6 pages. You can use them anywhere. So yeah, that's all about the Tall Elephant planner. I'm so much excited to use it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. So now let's talk about the giveaway. The giveaway will be running for 2 weeks, and I will be mentioning all the rules and the details in the description box below. Make sure you follow all the rules, as well as I will be attaching a form below which you have to fill. There would be some questions in the form which you have to answer. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because it will give me all the motivation to make more videos for you guys. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.